Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested Charms Picker card reading. What is in your destiny? What will happen next for you, friends, in your destiny or in your life in the future? And many of you requested this reading, friends. So here it is now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like, share, subscribe, join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicwintarot.com, friends, and this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch it, it will help you and resonate with your situation. And this is a future reading, friends. Like, what will happen in your destiny? Like, what is your destiny in the long term? Like, the next what will happen for you? What is the plan, higher plan for your destiny, for your life, for your future? And let's see what will happen. We'll also be taking some charms here. And friends, make sure to subscribe your 2022 readings, yearly readings. You can buy them from the website. They are super accurate, super detailed, and are selling like hotcakes right now. So make sure to book yours. And already a lot of rushes here right now for the bookings, so please try to book now rather than later. Also check your October horoscopes. They are already done, and picker cards are also done. So yes, let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, this beautiful red card. Option number 2, the beautiful 2 card. Matches with my nail paint also, just realized it. Option number 3. Relax and take a deep breath. And option number 4. So relax, take a deep breath, and choose option 1, 2, 3, 4. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly move there and choose your option. And some of you sometimes have problem when there are more than 3 piles to choose. You can choose from the timestamps also, friends. Like you see a timestamp a time figure number that you feel drawn to. You can choose that also to make it easier, or you can pause the video and take few more deep breaths and then choose your options. So that can also be there. So let's see option number 1. Let's see. All right, for those who chose option number 1, let us see what's in your destiny, friends. Let's start. Wow, number 1, it's interesting. I like this energy, the number 1 energy. It's the energy of power. It is the energy of magnetism. These are your oracle and advice, and we're going to look at them shortly. First, we're going to take a look at your tarot cards. So what is in your okay, first let's see what's happening for you currently. This is for your destiny. Let's see what's happening for you currently. For pile number 1, what's happening for them currently? Okay, the lover. So you're definitely feeling a lot of confusion. You also feel like a little confused, whether to go for something or not to go for something, whether to say yes or not to say yes, whether to be yourself or not to be yourself. So some questions are definitely, or options and decisions are definitely in your mind, choices. Some sort of a confusion also. I feel like you're going back and forth between something like, yes, I can do it, but then you are like, no, I can't do it. What will people say? Yes, I can do it. I must do it. This is the right thing. And then you are like, what will happen if I go wrong? So there is certain confusion and choices. The Prince of Wands, some Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you. I also feel you want to, take some risk right now, but you are a little hesitant to take certain risk right now. You are like, you want change, you want excitement in life, but you are also hesitant to change certain things in your life. You are also a little scared of your future, like what will happen? Will my risk pay off? Will my adventure pay off? So you are looking for certain change, but you are also at the same time scared of changes. The Star, I do feel like, wow, this is a beautiful energy. I think you are definitely trying very hard to make your dreams come true. You're definitely trying to manifest a dream. enhance a prayer, you're trying to work on your dreams and to make, to see them successful. But at the same time, you feel like your dreams are just now dreams, they haven't turned into reality. So something, you feel like, you feel a little bit of confusion. You also know what you want to do, but it's not happening in real life. So you're a little frustrated. Like, this is your job, but you are not getting success at it. You know what you're studying, that is your passion, but you are not getting successful. So keep working. I do see some of you could be having some. Uh, you will be shown certain signs. Some signs are repeating for you, like maybe you are getting a repeating dream again and again. You may be having dragon dreams, I feel, or dreams where you see fire. Like, there is a fire, a campfire, a bonfire. You may also be seeing the energy of sun in your dreams, or you may also be seeing energy of dragons, which are also like fire, fire dragons, clearing, bringing, inventing something new in your life. So you're going through some transformation, and it is not really easy for you right now, all these changes that are happening. Three of Cups, yes, some of you want relationships. Some of you are going through people who are gossiping about you, talking about you. There is a lot of talk about you. People are really talking about you, gossiping about you, and politics around you. You're fed up. You, if you date somebody, people start talking. If you breathe also, people start talking. So you are a little fed up, with people, aunties and uncles and people your age or younger people talking. So you want something new. You definitely want a change, and you're not sure if it will happen or not happen. And the Emperor, yes, you are also very tough friends right now. You're going through a phase where you are like, I have fixed my mind to my job, I'm gonna do it. You have a lot of self control right now. You're also trying to somewhere be very strict with yourself, like, no, my dreams won't come true. I have to work harder to make money, I have to work harder to achieve my goals. My manifestations are not working. So your ego is also a little more active at this point of time. But don't worry, friends, I see you are a leader, friends, and that's exactly what you're gonna achieve. And that's, you want to achieve something, leadership. You want to be a leader, whether it's your love life, work, or career, or student life. It will happen, friends. It will happen. Don't worry. Let's see. Let's see. So these are your current energies. Let me know if this resonated with you. So let's see what will happen in your destiny. What is in your destiny? Wow. First things I'm telling you, you have missed out on certain things. Like, some of you have missed out on the love of your life. Some of you have missed out like on true friendships. Some of you have missed out, like something was about to happen for you and you just kind of missed it in the past. Like, you were supposed to have your own house, but it somehow was going, you were about to have a house of your own, and then just, things crashed and you could not have it. But your destiny is telling you this: whatever you have missed, you are going to achieve that. You are going to find that whatever is right now missing from your life, you're gonna achieve that in your destiny in the future. So the time frame for this reading is like, for the next 5 to 10 years or even longer. It's like your destiny. What is your destiny? Whatever you have been missing out on life, that you will achieve later again in life. So you don't need to worry about things which you lose or left, or which go away from you. You will again find them back in new forms, in new ways, in better ways. They are coming back again for you. You will find fulfillment. Like, right now you're bored or you are discontent with life, that will be changed. You will have more options in life. You will have more friends in life. Another thing is, I do see for some of you, your destiny is creativity. You're very, very creative people, and right now, you are not using your potential. You have certain doubts about your creativity, about your, like, you may be, whatever you feel, you doubt that. I don't know why you're doing that, because you don't need to do that. I see in your destiny that you are very creative, or even if you are not creative, you will start doing something creative in your future. Your creativity will be on the high, on the peak in the future. I do see some of you could actually become musicians, painters, or even, healers, you all may become healers in the future also, so that could also be your destiny. I'm feeling another thing, like some of you guys have learned to close your heart. I don't know why, like the emperor energy you saw here. Remember this emperor, like right now you're closing your heart, friends. You are closing, you are trying to lead by your ego, your mind, but your destiny is you will lead by your heart. You will be a very compassionate leader, a very caring leader, a very, like for some of you, your destiny is to become a teacher. Your destiny is to take care of the family. For some of you, your destiny is to be a group leader, an HR manager. For most like you have to do something which is related with emotions, as well as which is related with people. You love people who love you, people to inspire. You will be an inspiration to people around you. I also feel that yes, your creativity will be on the rise. That is your destiny. Another thing is these fears you are facing right now. It is part of your destiny. It is part of the plan that you are in. That sometimes you will feel you can't just see your path. You will feel that at times, friends. Like, when there is a full moon night, there is also nights when there is no moon. You can't see the moon, it's pitch dark outside. So you will have to face those times when there is a lot of confusion and you cannot see the way out. But if you persist, you will definitely always find your way back, and in fact you will find a lot more blessings and success if you stick with your dreams and your goals and your ambitions. So do not give up. Do not ever give up, friends. I see you are somebody whose luck is very strong. But you go through phases where there is a dark night, but then again there is moonshine. There is full moon nights also. So don't worry. Page of Cups, yes, I do see that in your destiny. Your destiny is for some of you to have a fulfilling marriage, to raise kids. Yes, I know some of you might get triggered, like it's not our destiny to raise just kids. It is not just kids. Raising somebody, is a very very responsible, it's highly responsible thing. You have to be your best, to be a mother, to be a father, and for some of you that is your destiny, to be a guide, to be a teacher, to be a mentor. It's not easy, friends, to be a dad, to be a mom, and to be a good one at that. You have to be selfless, you have to be unconditionally loving and forgiving. So that is your destiny. I do see that you guys will reach an emotional maturity which you don't have right now. You will find it, friends. You will achieve it in your life, this emotional maturity, this balance where you are happy with your emotions. I also feel, pile number one, you guys are someone who are very emotional people, who may be highly sensitive. You may have mood swings also. Sometimes you feel very interested in somebody or some courses, some ideas, but at other times you are like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to see their face, I don't want to see do this work again. So you guys are very emotional people, but your destiny is you will become a commander or a master of your emotions. You will be able to become guide, heal, and mentor people. So some of you are definitely going to get married and raise kids, raise families. I also see some of you will actually, if you are having problems with getting married or having children, that will be resolved, because your destiny is to help children. Your destiny is to help people, inspire them, awaken them. And Six of Cups, yes, you will find your soulmates in this lifetime. A lot of people from your past will be coming ahead. So anything you have lost right now, a lover, a relationship, maybe some of you went through a broken marriage or something, don't worry, you have more soulmates coming your way. I do see a very very important connection coming your way, a past life connection, a soulmate. And with this person, you and this person will raise a family, or you guys will start some project or some company together, or maybe a NGO, a welfare organization, and it will be your baby. It will be your baby. It will, like, this will become your passion of life. It will become your motto of life. I do see, pile number one, you guys are entrepreneurs. Yes, you guys are the social media influencers. I also feel you guys are the creatives of this pile, of this reading. You guys are the most creative people. Because of this moon, you are like illuminating. I also feel that yes, for some of you, you will be working with children. That is your destiny, to work with children, to raise children, to be a good mother, to be a good father, to give. And it's not easy, friends. Somehow it's been very looked upon, like having kids is something everybody does. Everybody have kids, but not everyone is a good parent, right? So you will set that example to guide them, to be there, to be an unconditionally loving mother or an unconditionally loving father, and that is your destiny. And it's absolutely amazing, friends. I think you won't even realize it now that you really want it, or you will enjoy this thing, but you will be very surprised. It will be something very fulfilling for you. And Knight of Rods, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important for you, friends, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I do see that, yes, in your destiny is of a builder. You will be taking charge of your destiny. You will be building your life, build by, block by block, every day, you are taking steps to build your destiny, come closer to your destiny. I do see that, pile number one, you guys, just as I said, you guys are the influencers, the builders, the architects, the person who takes some risk and actually wins with that risk, so you will be taking risks in your life. At times, you may not know whether this risk will pay off or not, but you will take it because your mind, not your heart tells you, you will be taking those risks. And you are the ones where the risk will pay off. You will be definitely having a lot of success, a lot of passion in your future. I also see anything you invest yourself or put your efforts in, you will be very successful, friends. The Empress, yes. And look at that, you had the Emperor and you had the Empress. So this is your current energy, and the future is the Empress. So you are going to really take charge of your, become masters of your emotions, friends. And that's a very, very powerful energy. You guys are definitely going to work with your dreams, work with your ambition. And I also feel some of you may even become healers, entrepreneurs. Some of you may actually become in your destiny, you will become parents and of highly advanced souls. You will be, bringing birth or guiding children or bringing souls which are highly advanced. Another thing I'm feeling is, for some of you, love is coming. That is your destiny, to be married to somebody or to have a relationship or a project like a partnership, a company with somebody, which will become a very prosperous and successful project. So that is your destiny, to go after your dreams, to fulfill, to take charge, and to never let anybody else tell you. I do. Pile number one, a lot of people will always be talking about you. And it is something you hate, you don't like, it is something, it's not fun for you. You feel isolated, you feel alone, like this Emperor, you feel right now alone because people are talking about you, they keep gossiping about you. Family also, friends also, because you are very strong, you are unlike them, you don't need anybody, you are independent, you can go. Although you are very sensitive, but still you're a leader at the end of the day. And people may not like that, but it is your destiny. Don't let them affect you. You will not, if you don't listen, nothing will happen, everything will be fine in your life. And I do see that you will reach to a position in your life where you will be highly successful, you will have a lot of love around you, people you can count upon. And some of you could also become single parents in the future, or you might like, you might become entrepreneurs, or like, single business people, like, you have your own company and you are very successful, but nobody around you in your family has ever done that. So your family is like, what is happening here? But yes, I do see that love will be there in your life, marriage will be there, children will be there. You guys have a strong connection with children. Some of you may actually be writing children books also, or some sort of a book will be there, creative projects, music for children. All those things you will be doing, and your destiny is really amazing, friends. Let's see what else. Courage. Yes, it is your destiny to be courageous. You should not let other people confuse you or doubt you. In your destiny is to be courageous, to choose the path of your dreams and to follow them. And transformation, you are going through a lot of changes. It is your destiny, friends. Your life will, you will change a lot in your life. Like, from this Emperor you turned to Empress. I do feel you have a very, you are a very strong soul person. You are a very, very strong person, and you will take, The more your destiny is to change, to accept change, to be okay with it, and to be not afraid of it. So, big changes are coming in your life. Like some of you may actually be single, but you might get married out of the blue and become parents, and amazing parents. You will really love it. Some of you may actually start a book or a project which will turn your life, change your life for better. Let's see what else. Second chakra, Archangel Ariel. So, yes, friends, you are your destinies to connect with your passion, with your dreams, and with your self confidence. And once you do that, you will never be looking back. You'll be highly successful in your life. And I do see that you guys are leaders. It is your destiny to lead, it is your destiny to also become a teacher or work with children or females or with animals. That is also your destiny, and a lot of success will be yours, friends. A lot of money. You'll never have to worry about all these money and these things, because you'll be sorted. You will always have enough money for your needs and all. So you're sorted. So let's see some advice for you. Consult an expert. More information is needed, and contact someone with expertise in this area. Yeah, I do feel, friends, that some of you may be trying to get married since a long time, or you are trying to conceive, or have pregnancy. It's not happening. Or you might be going through some health issues, maybe mood swings, some addiction issues, or some sort of hypertension or something. I feel you should you will find the right help, medical help. So it is time to ask for help, because you are ready. I feel you are ready for the next step in your life, the upgradation. But you need some guidance, you need some motivation, some sort of you need something right now which will help you to change your life. And I feel that, yes, it could be like some medical advice which will be very helpful. Finding the right kind of partner could be very helpful. Also, I feel like you know what you need to do. And if you take it, like, you just need to meditate and believe in yourself, your dreams, your ambitions. So help is coming, people will guide you, and in the future you will be guiding others. So wow, what a beautiful energy. Let's see some romance angels messages. Ooh, Zelda Fitzgerald. So you will be loved if you are boring. You will only be loved if you are boring. Life always needs a little drama and lots of dancing. So, wow. She is saying that you will only be loved if you are boring. So you don't have to be boring. I think some of you are very, very independent people. And people around you, you don't behave. As I told you, you are not a usual type of a person. Or even if you are, you are changing. You are changing, you are glowing, you are becoming like the moon. And people will say, like, hey, you don't fit in, but you do. You are the moon. It's not your job to fit in, it's your job to shine. So keep shining. Life always needs a little dance and needs a little drama and lots of dancing. Think only of today, why worry about tomorrow? So yes, enjoy your today, your present moment. Don't worry too much about the future. I also feel for some of you, you are going to have a relationship very soon, but you may worry what will happen in the future of this connection. But it is important to enjoy the present. If you are happy in the present, there is a chance that you will be happy in the future also. But if you are unhappy now, no guarantee of your future also. So let's see some charms for you, friends. Great energy. Your destiny is very strong. You will go through changes, friends. Your life will always change. Like 10 years your life is different, then after 10 years you are in an entirely different space. You are always growing, shining, bright and beautiful. The feather, angels are protecting you, the universe is protecting you. You will also be getting signs before any change that happens in your life. The plug in, the charger. Yeah, I do feel that it is time to go after or invest in your dreams, and don't doubt them, because you are ready. The snake transformation, yes, your life again, friends, you are going through a spiritual awakening. And once it is done, you will find that you are stronger, your health is fitter, and also that some amazing relationships and friendships are coming your way. So life is changing for you, and you guys are gonna roast, you're gonna become the emperor or the empress of your life, so don't worry. So that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Pens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye for now. So, friends, for those who chose pile number 2, let us see what is in your destiny. And this is a charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms. Also, pile number 2. 2 is the number of harmony, 2 is the number of laughter, joy, happiness. Some of you could be life path number 2, or you are attracting someone with the life path number 2, or their birthdays are like 22, number 2, or like 11, like 11 is their birth date. So, yeah, these are your advice and oracle, and these are your tarot. So let's start with the current energies for you, friends. What is the current energy for you? Pile number 2. What's happening currently in their life? Okay, lots of cards. Ace of Cups. So a new start is happening for you. You are looking for some sort of a new start, some sort of an emotional energy, some sort of an emotional resurgence, or like you are looking for emotional satisfaction in life right now. The Five of Discs. Yes, people are really, I don't know how to say this, but some of you could be going through financial difficulties, or some of you could be going through issues where people, you always start a new love feeling very excited, but then kind of like that person rejects you, ghosts you, blocks you, and you are like, what happened? Why this happened? Some of you are very disappointed with love or with people around you. Like, people kind of, I don't want to use this word, but they kind of ditch you. And that's not a good word to use, friends, but some of you may also be expecting, you are looking for money. Like every time you get a job and a new hope, like money will be coming in, it something happens and money doesn't come your way, or you don't get that job, or payments are delayed. So you are like, when is my new thing happening? I'm ready, but when is it gonna happen? The Three of Wands. Yes, you are very, very excited about the future. You definitely want to move into your future rather than be here in the present, because you are like, people are not behaving well with you, friends. Absolutely, someone has ghosted you, left you behind. Someone may have also promised you money, but they have not been giving to you that money, like at work. So you are like, I am ready for this new start. Where is my new start? You're excited about the future, but at the same time a little disappointed. All right, let's see, friends, what is your destiny? So, friends, your destiny is that you're gonna have a fresh new start in life. This new start that is you are waiting for, it will actually happen for you in the future. So don't worry. I see some of you could actually be leaving the city or country you are living in, and you will be moving to some fresh place, some new place you have never been to, and it will be an exciting adventure for you. Yes, I do see it will happen. Some of you are like trying to manifest travel and moving out right now, or some new jobs, but it is not it's not materializing for you, friends. But your destiny is, you will have this new start, friends, and it will be a fresh new start. It will be like you starting your life again from blank, and you will feel very excited, like moving to a new place, shifting to a new place, buying a new home. Also, you will be letting the past go. That is your destiny. You will not let the past stop you. You will be moving fresh into new experiences. Yes, I do see that for some of you, new friendships are coming your way. You will have a lot of people, a lot of support coming your way. If some of you are feeling right now like, family doesn't understand you, or, like there is no one to understand you, you don't have many friends, or you don't have cousins, family that understands you. Even your siblings are fighting, your sister, brother is also not on your side, on your same page. So what will happen? What is your destiny? You will find friends, love, you will find support, you will find people who understand you, or whom you can trust. These people won't let you down. These people will not leave you behind. Another thing is, if you are in third parties, you will find relief, and it is your destiny to find relief from these third parties, these difference of opinions, these blocks in love life. You will find the relief. Yes, the chariot. I do feel it is in your destiny to travel the world. It is also in your destiny that you will be going places. You will be very, very successful. So, if you are having financial issues right now, don't worry. Your finances will get better and will pick up pace in the future. Another thing I'm getting is it is your destiny to have a lot of material wealth and emotional satisfaction. That is your destiny, and nothing can stop this from happening for you. Some of you are doubting, like, maybe money is a reason it won't happen for you, like you can't go abroad because you don't have money, or you feel like there will be blocks in achieving your goals. No, you will achieve your goals, friends. No matter how difficult you will feel your dreams are, you will still achieve them. I also see your destiny is to move around, travel a lot, see a lot of places, or even do a work which has a lot of traveling or collaborating with people. And another thing is, friends, I feel like some of you have been really rejected. Maybe you are appearing for some exam, but you are not able to clear it. So you are being rejected from something right now, but it is your destiny to have that thing. So don't worry. I do see that you guys will be successful in whatever you want to achieve and whatever was denied from you. So let's see what else is in your destiny. Ten of Cups. Yes, for friends, you will have ultimate happiness. It is in your destiny to get married, to settle down, and to have a happy, emotionally fulfilling life. So you are going to achieve that no matter what is happening right now. I do feel some of you have been ditched or ghosted, blocked by people. Some of you may have even been proposed marriage, but then it didn't work out, or you have third parties in your love life. But it is in your destiny to have a happy, loving family and a happy, loving relationship. So you will achieve that, friends. Two of Cups. Yes, partnerships are coming for you. The right kind of partnerships in love as well as work. So it is in your destiny to find the right lover and to get married and live happily ever after. Also, it is in your destiny to find the right kind of job or a business partnership, and it will change, it will change and improve your life dramatically. So this will all happen. If some of you are like, you guys are going through challenges right now, so you don't have faith, will your dreams or will your destiny be good? Yes, it will be good, friends, and these blocks will be removed. It is just a matter of time. Four of Wands. Yes, for some of you, you will be marrying your twin flames, or you will be meeting your twin flames very, very soon. I do see marriage is very, very important for some of you. So you will be getting married, or it could be your second marriage or something like that, or your marriage with your twin flame or your soulmate. So you will achieve that, friends. You will achieve it. Another thing I'm getting is some of you are clearing some exams, or you want to clear an exam, but you tried before, but it didn't go well. But in the future, you will achieve that exam, or you will clear a goal, a career goal, and people will be very proud of you. The Queen of Rods, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important to you, friends, in your future. I do feel you're gonna go after your dreams and passion. I also feel that you are a powerful manifester. You can attract what you want just by believing in yourself. So keep believing. Don't give up on your dreams right now. If people are not behaving well, they are disappointing you, they are rejecting you, opportunities are rejecting you, do not believe that is your future. No, your future is this: going places, having success, getting married. And also, even if I do see some of you may get married and shift abroad or shift to some another city or country, and it will be a dramatic change, but a good change, a positive, happy change, which you will really love. So let's see what else will happen. True love. Oh my god. So you guys are definitely going to find the true love of your life. Also, you are going to find people who are honest friendships, loyal friendships, and a loving, caring partnership. And the sacred temple. Wow. Yes, friends, you are definitely going to connect with your, dreams and goals. Some of you will also be working with some good, how do I say this, a good university, like the best institute, like the best colleges in your city or country. You're gonna work with them. You might also get a job there. So yes, you're gonna achieve not just love but career success also. So let us see what else will be happening for you. Pile number two, attachment. Number five. Yes, friends, there are certain people and certain things in your life which are draining you right now, and you must let them go. You might be waiting for a past lover to come back. You might also be waiting for some current job to pay you. You are attached with things and situations which are no longer working for you, and it's time to say bye bye. Once you do that, all this new energy will come in. Let's see some advice for you. Simplify your life. All right. So eliminate clutter from your home and work life to balance the flow of activities. I think you are feeling a little tired because as I do this reading, I get very drowsy. I think you have not slept well, or maybe right now you're feeling a little sleepy. So I think you have too much on your plate right now. You're trying to do too much, think too much, overanalyze. Don't do that. Relax, let it go, take a deep breath, okay? And remember, life will, one by one, all your dreams will fall into your place. Your work life, love life will be sorted, your work life will be sorted. So, all dreams one by one will come true. So, don't worry. Just try to leave, simplify things and don't expect too much. Stay peaceful, stay open, see what life offers you. So, let's see your charms now. Okay, we haven't seen the love message. Let's see your love message also. Ooh, Lena Dunham. Duham, I think Lena Duham. Everyone forgets you. Everyone forget you except you. So yeah, people can forget us, but we can't forget ourselves, can we? It is okay to play hide and seek by yourself. Don't be afraid of standing on the shoulders of your parents. So I think yes, it is not. You don't have to be the second fiddle, friends. You don't have to be the side character of your life story, friends. It is your life. You get to play the lead role, right? It is your life. You don't have to play the second role. And you are the queen or the king of your life. You are the superstar of your life. So go for it, friends. Don't doubt yourself and don't attach to things which are not making you shine. You must choose, you know, you must choose carefully what you attach to. That is your destiny, friends. Your destiny is filled with love and support, but with the right kind of people. If you chose the wrong kind of people, you're gonna go the wrong way. So let's see. Okay, see, flexibility. So some of you may actually be dealing with exercises, gymming. That could be your destiny. Fitness, yoga, all those things could be your destiny. Yeah, flexibility, staying open. And this is the devil, the cartoon character. So I do feel that for some of you, your life destiny is to, stay happy and not take too much burdens, too much load to pressurize yourself. Don't do that. Enjoy your life. And the this looks like mountains to me. For some of you, you might be shifting or relocating to mountains, or you will be traveling there. I also feel that you might get married or you might meet somebody from the hilly areas and you will really enjoy it. So that's it for now. Pile number two, subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So for those who chose pile number 3, let us see what is in your destiny, friends. For pile number 3, this is an amazing number. I'm getting very happy energies from this number. Like, a lot of success, a lot of happiness is coming your way. And these are your tarot, these are your advice and oracle messages and your chance. We're gonna look at them shortly. First, we're gonna see what is happening for you, pile number 3, currently. So pile number 3, what is going to happen for what is currently happening for pile number 3? Let me just shuffle. The cards are dropping by already. I want to shuffle them a bit. What's currently happening for pile number 3? Pressure. You are going through a lot of pressure. You are going through difficulties, friends, right now, and you are feeling very burdened with that. You feel like hopeless right now. You feel like there is no hope in life, or There is too much, you know, you feel like there is too much burden or pressure on you, too much endings happening, too many things are, too many deadlines happening for you, too much of pressure. You feel like tired, you feel also overworked, overburdened. Five of Cups, disappointed, feeling sad, feeling hopeless. All right, my God, this is heavy energies, friends. Right now, you're not feeling well, friends. You might also be thinking a lot about your past, people who left you, people who, opportunities you have missed, opportunities which are not working out for you. You are feeling a lot of pressure because of that. The Prince of Cups, Prince of Disc, Page of Disc, Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. So, friends, some of you are also worried about money, whether you will have money, when you will find financial success. Some of you are also worried about when you will have a new start in life, when things will be stable. When these worries and challenges will lift from your life. You are fed up, friends. You are feeling a lot of hopelessness right now. But the good news is this Page of Pentacles, things will improve. Slowly and steadily, your life will improve. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is also important for you. So you don't need to worry. Right now, things are supposed to go slowly for you. And that's a good thing, friends. Let things be slow right now because you have a lot, you are going through tough times. You may not even realizing it right now. Something also have ended in your life which is causing you some problems. Like you can't get over this ending. Maybe you lost a job or a friend or a lover or maybe somebody else, and you are like, why this happened? Why to me? Why this happens with me? So you're going through certain things, friends. So, what will be your destiny? Friends, first thing I'll tell you, in your destiny, you will get justice, and justice will be done. You have been through terrible times. I'm telling you this thing. The last 10 years of your life, or the last 10 months of your life, have been the toughest in your life, and you have seen the worst. But your destiny is you will get justice. All this hard work you have done in this lifetime, and even pile number three, your last three lifetimes were not easy. I would suggest you to go for a past life reading because it will help you immensely. Something has happened, and something is happening right now also, friends, for you, and it is the roots of it lie in your past life. But the good news is, in your destiny, you will find justice. You will find all this hard work being paid off. If you are having financial worries, you can rest assured money will be coming, justice will be happening, some legal victories will be happening for you. Some of you, your destiny is to become a lawyer or to become a part of this, the legal system. Like you might also join some legal companies, legal offices or something, maybe as a manager or something there, but you will be joining those things. I do see, friends, those who have wronged you, I don't know if justice will prevail in your life, and that is your destiny. You will get justice. All this patience, hard work, all this slow pace you have faced in for the 10 months, 10 years in your life, that will be washed away, and something beautiful will be given to you in its place. Blessings are coming your way. It is your destiny. And the Magician, yes, it is your destiny that whatever you wish for will come true in the future, because you have worked for it, friends. You have worked, you have toiled, you have gone through many challenges alone, and that is why in the future you will be able to manifest or achieve whatever you want to achieve, friends. So your destiny is extremely powerful. Some of you may become leaders in the world, like political leaders. Some of you may become like public speakers, social workers, doctors. Some of you may actually become lawyers, engineers, doctors, public administrators. So you guys have a very strong destiny, and whatever was denied to you, it will be given to you. Like justice will prevail, past life success will come to you now. The goodness you have done in the past, it will come back to you. Eight of Wands. So I do see that it is in your destiny that things will be moving fast in the future, and nothing can stop that. Right now, things are really stuck. Things are slow from the last 10 years, 10 months for you, but it will change in your destiny. Ahead future, in your future, things will be moving very quickly, and you will be, taking right actions, right steps. Right now, when you do something, friends, it's not working out. Like, you apply for a job, you never hear back from them. You apply for some exam, your admit cards get lost. You just don't receive it. Some mistakes happen. So in the future, those things will not happen. Whatever you have put your effort in, you will gain instant success, and with stability and security, you can be sure of this success in the future. And all your efforts, wherever you put your effort, that you will have the Midas touch. Like, wherever you put your effort, you will find luck, you will find things falling into place, things working out for you. The Queen of Swords, yes, friends, you will have a very, very powerful, friends, you guys could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you will deal with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini in the future. Friends, you have a very powerful destiny. Some of you have very powerful Saturn placements in your chart, or Pluto placements, which give you a destiny of success, of power, of fame, of, public persona. So some of you guys will become public speakers. You guys will become innovators. You guys will become, very strong-willed people, and very, very famous also in the future. So please keep manifesting, keep working, and I know your life will be tough. It has been till now. Why? Because, friends, your destiny is big. Your destiny is big. You guys are setting up for something big. And you must not give up. Some of you may also have faced some legal issues that will be resolved. Some legal victory is coming. Some spiritual victory is coming for you in your future. I do see you will be a very, very strong-willed, a highly respected person in your future. And this is something you have manifested from a lot of work from many, many past lives. The Hierophant, yes, for some of you, you guys will be getting that government job you want, or you guys will be becoming, you guys will reach to the topmost position of your work. Some of you may become like university heads. Some of you may actually, become like doctors, healers, lawyers, like public workers, administration, into administration. You guys are going to the topmost level. And whatever you say will become a law. Your destiny is big, friends. Your destiny is huge. In fact, whatever you want, you can achieve. That is how your destiny is set right now. So go for it, friends. Go for it. The Ace of Pentacles. Yes, whatever, something you guys will start that will become a legacy in your future. It could be a business you start that will turn into a legacy for the future generations to come. Or it could be like you will become a very, very strong person, like a famous person. And your work will be talked upon by ages to come ahead also in the future. Some of you may also become pioneers in your life, like, you are becoming like the first person to do something in your family. Like, your family never had, like, everyone in your family becomes doctor, but you become a lawyer, and they are like, what? And some of you may actually become like spiritual people who might go and teach yoga, spirituality, tarot readings, healers, and all those. And nobody in your family may have done it. So you are like, why am I doing this? But it's your destiny. You have to do it. Some of you may become even business people. You might start something and you will achieve a lot of success there. And your family, everyone around you is like, you guys are revolutionaries, friends. You will break the patriarchy, you will leave the tradition, the culture, the tried and tested, and you will mark your own path, and you will be very, very successful, because it is your destiny to be successful. You will do what no one has done, but you will be successful in it because of your past life, because of this justice, because of the troubles you are going right now. One thing you have to keep in mind is patience. You must not give up. Many times in your life, you will feel like you want to give up and your patience is tested. You might have to wait longer for success to come. You might also have to you might also have to face more challenges than other people. But pile number three, once your success starts to come in, it will come in by huge dollops. Like you guys will become overnight success, but people may not notice that you have been facing challenges since like 5 years, 10 years, something like that. So keep your patience, don't lose hope. Travel, yes, some of you will become, it is your destiny to travel in the future. Also, I see it is your destiny. You may have many homes in different places. Like some of you may have a home abroad and in your country or city also. And you'll be traveling, your life will be shifting, it will be constantly moving. And joyous fun, yes, friends, you are going through tough times, friends, right now, but in your destiny, you will enjoy lots of free times, lots of happiness. Some of you may also be having financial issues right now, like you don't have enough money to spend on extra food, extra, holidays or something like that, or trips with family. You will have that, friends. You will have that. Money and fun, family, laughter, joy, things when you can enjoy your life. That will happen. That is your destiny. Door to romance. So don't forget, love is also in your destiny. Number 333. I do see that when you least expected, you will find a lover, and that will also be something that some of you may be in, same-sex relationships. Some of you may be gender. Like you are going through gender issues. You are rebels, friends. You guys are different, and remember, you are unique, and that is your USP. You will become, you know these differences only will make your life easier, so trust in them, and romance will happen for you, don't worry. Yin and yang, balance, yes, friends, balance is coming for you, friends. And I do see that for some of you, what is missing in life, you're gonna achieve that. Destiny will bring you what is missing from your life, and I do feel that some of you will be getting married to an opposite person, like polar opposite to you. Like you guys could be in some of you could be in same sex relationships also. You might face some gender issues also, but remember, you gonna win, 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 because that is your destiny. Fame is in your destiny, success is in your destiny, balance, receiving a spiritual awakening, that is also your destiny. Let's see some advice for you. Oh, you have the Midas touch right now, and every project you begin turns to gold. So, friends, you are exceptionally lucky people. I don't know why you even feel that you guys are not lucky or you guys are being tested, because your luck will change in the future. You are very lucky, and it starts from right now. You are lucky, friends. Believe in that. And let's see some romance angels message. Cleopatra. So see, Cleopatra was a very, very powerful queen. She has leopards. Look at that. So she was very powerful, friends. Just like her, you guys are powerful. When you are conquered, consider who wins. So I think right now you are losing in life, and that is why you are feeling upset and sad. But remember, you will win. You will be conquering. You will be winning battles in life. A queen must lead while a wife might follow, but both are diplomats. So remember that you are the king or the queen of your life. You don't need to follow the tradition. You might be feeling sad because you do something which is different from the usual. Don't be sad. Be glad. Be immortal and not defeated. Remember, friends, nothing can defeat you. You are a very, very strong-willed person, and whatever challenges you are facing, there will be nothing in front of you, especially in future. Keep shining bright. So let's see your charms. All right, so this is the play button, the stop button. So like, stop. I feel like you are not trusting your destiny. You don't believe things can be better for you, friends. So don't do that. Stop the negativity and say yes to positivity. And what is this? Yeah, the detective, the man. So I do feel that some of you will be attracting a new love or a romance in your life. I also feel some of you will be becoming, like, if you are a female, you might become the man, like the leader, someone who is financially independent, taking care of yourself. So you are like, you will switch the roles, friends. You will switch the roles. You guys are rebels. You will do something which no one has ever done, and you will figure out the way how to do it. And the clown, yes, friends, laughter will be coming your way. Happy days, days where you can celebrate and enjoy life, that are coming. And subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 4, let us see what is in your destiny. Wow, 4 is a number of harmony. 4 is the number of ultimate stability, structure, organizations. And this is your tarot and advice cards. We're going to look at them shortly, and your charms. So, let us first see what's happening pile number 4 currently for you. Let's see that. All right. So definitely, Eight of Pentacles, you're working very, very hard, friends, to change your life, improve your life. I think some of you are working very hard to obtain financial security, or you are trying to achieve perfection. Like if you are a student, you want to clear an exam, you're working hard for that. So definitely you're trying to work hard and achieve something. The Two of Cups, yes, your focus is also on relationships right now. Like you want a good relationship, a good partnership with somebody, either work or like personal relationships as well as professional relationships. So definitely you are trying to work on your career as well as your love life. What else? The Eight of Wands. So yeah, definitely you're trying to take action to improve your life. And right now you are feeling like, things are working out, but they can get better for you. The Nine of Wands. Yes, you are facing some challenges, friends. There are certain challenges. Even though life is okay for you right now, you're working hard, you're achieving success, but still, you feel like you can have a little more success, a little more opportunities. Life can get easier for you, and yes, I do feel it will get easier for you. Some of you may also be wanting your partner to put some time and in like, how do I say, like, you're looking for your partner to invest in the relationship, love, time, care, loyalty. But some of you are not getting that from your partner or your love life, like investment. You're not getting that. You don't feel your partner is invested in you. So let's see what is your destiny. Wow. Friends, firstly, foremostly, your destiny is to enjoy your life. Yes, to enjoy comfort. I feel you have been working very, very hard since a very, very long time. Like, you had a difficult childhood or something, maybe your family, like, you always work hard, friends. You guys are people who always work hard. You guys are people who always study hard as a children. The front benchers, always working hard, trying to improve yourself. So your destiny is to enjoy success, and it is well earned success, friends. It is in your destiny that in your future you will have some celebrations, some work success. If you are a student, you will be selected in what you are preparing for, exams, your job interviews. You will be very successful. So celebrations are part of your destiny. Living a life of luxury, living a life of comfort and joy and happiness, that is your destiny. Another thing, you see there are two Nine of Wands here. Oh my god, from two different decks. So yes, I do feel that even in your future you must not give up, because you will achieve whatever you want to achieve, and it is your destiny, friends, that you will work hard, but you will have a lot of success, like lot of money coming your way, lot of people. Like, you are a perfectionist, friends, pile number 4, and yes, you will find your success, money, celebrations, happiness. Also, you will find long term, like relationships, long term commitments, long term friendships. So those things are very important for you. The Devil, yes, friends, some of you are going through health issues. Some of you are going through some, like, I don't know. You guys are perfectionist, friends. You guys stick with people. You Some of you don't like change, friends, and you like to invest in something and get results from that. You like constant things, you like stability, structure. Number 4, and that's exactly what you will achieve in your future. Stability, success, structure, rewards of your hard work, rewards of your patience. Another thing is, friends, some of you always attract toxic people in your life. People who take away your love, take away your money. Some of you may have been cheated in love, or cheated in, like, at work someone promised you money but it kind of like never appeared for you. You attract toxic people in life, friends. But in the future this will be changing. This will definitely be changing. Some of you may also be, I think your destiny is to become famous, friends, and achieve a lot of success and comfort. Like, live a comfortable life where there you don't have to work all day, 24/7. You will live a comfortable life. You will enjoy luxury, fame, success. Some of you will become entrepreneurs, musicians, healers. Some of you may even do PhDs, like in psychology or something. You will become, I don't know how to say this, but you will be very, very, you will become very perfectionist, but at the same time very successful at your job and career. So yes, it will happen. Whatever you are working on, that will expand in your life, and it will happen for you effortlessly. The star, yes, friends. Some of you guys are going to become famous, like the other pile we had. You guys also will have fame in your destiny. It is your destiny to be famous. It is your destiny to be who you are. Another thing I'm feeling is some of you will become artists, like, musicians, creative people. Some of you will write your first book. It will change people's lives. Some of you may actually share your stories, like coming out of addictions. Some of you maybe are addicted to working too much, addicted to money, or some smoking, drinking. I don't know what is it you are addicted to. Or you are, I'm not sure, addiction is not a right word for it, friends. You are, like, you don't enjoy life. You keep working hard. You keep, like, you can't, you feel like life is a punishment. You really cannot enjoy it. But it is your destiny to enjoy life, to have fun, to, not always work, to just have fun, to go on holidays, to maybe enjoy luxury. It is your destiny and it will happen. And 5 of Swords, yes, friends, people, you attract a lot of people, friends, who ghost you, who block you, who have cheated you. And I feel even in the future you will attract people who are kind of like, you attract a lot, all sorts of people, friends. First thing I'm feeling is that, but you will attract people who will let you down even in the future. But you will become smart, friends. Your intuition will be very, very sharp in the future. So one of your destiny is to become a spiritual person, highly intuitive, psychic, healers, psychic entrepreneurs. So remember, but you will attract people who are toxic, broken, or unhealed. But you can change this by being balanced yourself. So, yes, it is your future to be balanced. It is your future to be highly successful, to enjoy a lot of luxury. It is in your destiny that someone who left you will come back and will try to work things out with you, a twin flame, a soulmate, a lover. I also feel some of you have been through imbalanced relationship, extreme relationships, like too much of lust, too much of pain, too much of perfection, too much of sexual pleasure. But you will change that. That is your destiny. You will find relationships which are worthy, loyal, caring, trustworthy. Page of Rods. Yes, an Aries, Leo, Sag person is important for you. I also feel that an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. I feel, friends, it is your destiny to go after your passions and to balance them, to learn to balance them, and to live a life of fun, joy, as well as, spiritual alignment, to live life spiritually as well as having fun. The Ten of Swords. Yes, friends, it is your destiny to get rid of all these troubles, obstacles, and to live an easy life. You don't always, it is not your destiny to keep working all the time, to just slog and never enjoy. Your destiny is Nine of Cups, to enjoy life, to get things done easily, and to not be an extremist, to be balanced. Mind, body, and soul. So great gratitude. Yes, friends, it is in your destiny that you will learn to be grateful for the hard lessons you have faced in life. You will realize that yes, you have, you will overcome some health issues also, like you will quit some smoking, drinking, or maybe too much of television, too much of gaming, online stuff. You will quit those things, and once you do, your life will change dramatically, and you will be like, wow, what a great gratitude, I feel so nice. Commitment. Yes, friends, some of you will be getting commitment, a marriage partnership, a love relationship. Some of you could be getting the job, clearing the exams you are wishing to clear, and it is your destiny to clear that. Abundance, money is coming your way, friends. Yes, you will have a lot of money. You will have a comfortable life, and you deserve it. You had been through rough phases, friends. So you deserve a life of comfort. You deserve life of joy, happiness, pleasure, effortlessly. Six chakra archangel, seven chakra archangel Uriel. Yes, friends, some of you, it is your destiny to become healers, psychics, intuitives. Some of you may even do PhD research. Some of you may also go into public speaking. That is your destiny, to be a public speaker, to be very independent. So listen to your intuition. Your intuition is guiding you. And let's see some advice for you. What is the advice for you? Synchronicity. Wow, that's beautiful. Your prayers and questions are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. So yes, life will become your, you are a mirror of yourself. So if you are attracting a lot of broken people, please try to heal yourself, because then you will attract the right kind of people. So don't worry. So let's see your love message. Queen Victoria. Wow, that's a very, very powerful queen. I would I would venture to warn against too great intimacy with artists. So it is very, as you know, I would warn against too great intimacy with artists, as it is very seductive and a little dangerous. Yeah, I do feel you constantly attract risky people or risky adventures in life. Like, you like people will come like, hey, let's invest money. It will become double, triple in overnight. Don't do that. Don't do that, friends. It's risky. No girl would go to the altar if she knows it all. Some of you are like, you're obsessed about knowing every detail of your future, but that's not how life works. Life will give you few things, and then you make the most of it. Like, it gives you flour and sugar and eggs, and you beat it up and you make your cake, and then you realize, oh, you can make a cake out of it. So that's how life will be. And not knowing everything will actually be a blessing for you. The important thing is not what they think of me, but what I think of them. So yeah, I do feel, friends, some of you attract a lot of broken people in love or in relationships, even at work, but that is changing. That will change for you. Once you heal and become like this, from this devil to this temperance you go, you will achieve a lot of good people. You will achieve a lot of stability, success, loyalty in life. So let us see. Okay, let us see your charms now. The Hand. Destiny is at work for you, friends. Destiny is very, very important. The destiny is taking you somewhere. So some hard lessons, but overall a good destiny. This is the fan, the wheel, the wind chime. So yes, changes will always, your life will always keep you guiding towards changes. Positivity, plug in. Yes, I do feel somebody or something will happen which will change your life, charge your life, put spark of love in your life. So keep manifesting, friends, and try not to be too much hard on yourself. Enjoy life. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit us on Magic Vans Tarot site. And that's it for now. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.